Hey guys, welcome to my video, and today I have my custom fire alarm control panel, the Weasel 1. Let's open it up, and it's powered on by connecting my black to that battery. This is a 24 volt system, so I have this controller set to 24 volts, and this right here is the main control panel itself. I can move these wires out of the way. This is the AC plug, so I'm gonna plug this in wherever I can find it. There we go. Now it's connected, and this is in normal state, so the relay is not on. But when I go, let me grab my pin connector. There we go. I have this here. I'm gonna put it on positive and connect it to one of my zones, and you should be able to hear a relay click. That's the relay clicking for when the zones get activated. And for devices, it uses 2-wire devices, so ones that can support 24 volts. So these, and more stuff like that. Let me grab the other one. We can also support all of these work on it. Well, every 24 volts this device that's 2-wire, could be 4-wire, and this is what I'm using for alarm devices. As this system does work properly. And that will be it for today's video, guys.